January 11th, 2019, 9:02 a.m. Doing a little windy sky view up here. About what we're going to be looking at today. Oh, there's a dark spot coming this way. Hopefully it's going away. I was kind of hoping that they would clear up. It'd be nice to get a little bit of moon action. Something anyway. Alrighty, that'll do it. Everybody be safe out there, and peace out. January 11th, 2019. It's almost noon. It says 11:57 a.m. We'll just call it noon. A lot of wind. Camera's acting real funny today. Turn it on, it turns off. Turn it on, it turns off. Brand new batteries, fully charged. Go figure. And there we go. Shiny guy right there above my fingernail. Stealth mode. Oh, no, I hear him now. I keep forgetting these things are supposedly faster than sound. Yep. Just look at that wonderfulness jumping off. So normal. Streaks going through. Yeah. Nothing to see here. Everything's normal, people. Hilarious. Boy, it's so turned up it won't. I can cover up the sun and my camera won't even dim down. There it goes. Trying to get it white. Yep, it's white. Just getting a panorama shot, thinking that I might get some kind of rainbow over here like I did when the sun set, but nope. See, it's like these moving are real. Those streaks, nah, think not. It's my opinion. And let's go back to the filter. See what we got. I think I'm going to zoom in and try to get something out of this today. It would be nice if this cleared up, I could actually get the moon. I'm sure it's over there somewhere. It's coming this way, chasing the sun. It's pretty cool to watch when you can get a chance to watch it. Alright, everybody be safe out there. Peace out. Alrighty, just did a sky view, January 11th, 2019. It is 12:02 p.m. Doing a sky view. Been a while since I've seen the sun, so I wanted to get something with the filter. Just for giggles. So hopefully the wind doesn't mess with it too much, which it is. It's shaking the living you know what out of this. Always like to look around. You never know. Sometimes you'll catch something. Might be them pesky contrailers trying to cover something up. Weather modification. I guess they're trying to call it as the normal now. And that wind is just ridiculous. So I'm just gonna have to hold it and let my body do the shaking.